The customer came inside. Freda went to the customer, asked the customer to buy drinks, and she also asked the customer to buy one drinks for me so I can go with them inside.
Okay.
When Freda asked me to suck his and when I do it, but I don't want to do it, but the customer asked me to get up because I was still look young.
I need you to look around the room.
And then
It's Tony in the room.
after she gave me money. Yes, he's over there looking at me.
Is he sitting next to a man or woman?
And mother could have money got by the lady.
What color shirt is he wearing?
But I don't find black.
Your Honor, let the record reflect. You indicating defendant Kennedy. Is the fat one in the room?
Yes, he's over there.
Is he sitting next to a man or woman?
And mother could have money come with sitting by the man.
What color shirt is he wearing?
He's wearing a shirt kind of stripe.